Hello everyone. In this video I'll be doing a review of the McDonald's McCafe Vanilla Chai Frappe. So this is a summer drink, I believe, at McDonald's. It has a lot of calories, but it's also really good. I haven't had one of these since like 2014, I believe, so I'm excited to try this out again. I know that it's a cool combination because it's got vanilla, but it's also chai, which is like kind of like nutmeg and a little bit of a different flavor. But here it is, 560 calories, I think, in a medium, $2. Not bad. It's on deal. Summer drink days, I think. So here we go. Oh yeah, that's honestly, it's so interesting because it's got vanilla, but I find vanilla has a sweet aftertaste. It has a heavy nutmeg, ginger, or nutmeg, cinnamon kind of aftertaste, which makes it also feel like you're eating something, like a cinnamon roll. So it has that kind of aftertaste. After that nice strong, like I love the taste of vanilla, but then the aftertaste in some vanilla drinks is a little bit off. This vanilla is just capped off perfectly with that chai flavor. Wow. The consistency of this is really nice too. It's kind of like a slushy, kind of icy vibe, like other Frappuccinos. So, I mean, if you have a Frappuccino from McDonald's before, you know exactly what this is going to taste like, but it's a bit more, I don't know, McDonald's has it a little bit of a different, theirs have a different texture than other places. I find it's colder. I don't know, maybe just where I go, but wow, really unique flavor. It's almost like ice cream too, like an ice cream coffee chai mix, which is unique and it works really well, especially in this like frozen state. So unreal. If this didn't have 560 calories, I would probably be drinking this very often, but because of its high calories, this is something I only get every, like, what is this, like 8 years or something. So yeah, not the best because of that, but otherwise the flavor is amazing. It's kind of like a milkshake in a sense, and I guess any Frappuccino is going to have a lot of calories in it, so that's something I typically try to avoid because drinking your calories is pretty much the worst thing you could do, unfortunately. So yeah, maybe I'll have another before the summer's over. Probably, maybe, we'll see. This reminded me of how good that was. So I guess I'm gonna give it kind of two reviews. So the overall flavor, Vanilla Chai Frappe from McDonald's, I'm giving that a 9.5. Like, that is an absolutely divine flavor. It's unique and it works really good. Tastes like vanilla ice cream, and then it kind of ends off with a cinnamon nutmeg flavor that just, it's not too sweet. It's not sweet. It's perfect. I think it's a really good combination. This in a slushy format, really good. Good taste, texture. So 9.5 for the flavor. But the overall, I don't know how to, because the calories is so high, I'd probably give this like a 7.5 if you factor in the calories. But 9.5 for flavor. So if you don't care about the calories, I'm into the fitness lifestyle, so that's kind of something I focus on. So up to you. Really good drink though. Love it. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, check out my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.